Okay, so after a guided introduction, you had the opportunity to solve this on your own. So we are going to quickly go over it before you get into some practice problems. So when you see this expression, the first thing you should notice is that you have a nested group, a group within a group. So these brackets tell us that before we do anything in the outside, we need to do everything that's inside. And then I also noticed that within this initial group, within these brackets, I have another group inside of parentheses, 5 plus 4. These parentheses show me that before I do anything else, the very first thing I need to do is 5 plus 4. When I do 5 plus 4, I get 9, and then I'm going to bring everything down. So now I just have one group. Within that group, I have 30 minus 9 divided by 3. I know that when I have two operations in one group, I need to think about which operation has the most power. Here, we know that division is more powerful than subtraction. So I'm going to do 9 divided by 3, and that gives me 3, and then bring everything down again. I'm going to continue working within my brackets. So now I have to do 30 minus 3, and that gives me 27. So at this point, I've completed everything in my bracket. Now again, I'm going to move everything down. At this point, I do not have any parentheses or brackets. So now I have to go from left to right and think about the operation that has the most power. So I see here that I have addition and multiplication. So first I'm going to do 10 times 27, and that gives me 270. And now I'm going to continue to bring everything down. So now I have 6 plus 270. And then from there, I get my very final answer, 276. So you are going to check your work either on your slate or on scrap paper and make sure that you have shown all these steps. Feel free to take a minute before moving on to the next part and check every step.